In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Equity Edge. First of all, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your account. Then you need to click the three lines in the top left corner and in the menu find withdrawals. Click on it, and right here, first of all, you need to choose your account login ID. So if you have got the active account, you will see your login ID right here. Choose the account, then you need to choose the payment method. Scroll this down, there are a few options: wire transfer, USDT PIP20 or USDT ERC20 transfer. So for example, if you choose the wire transfer, so if you want to withdraw your money to your bank account, you need to fill all of the necessary gaps. So fill all of the information, enter your bank account details and click next and submit the withdrawal. Or you can choose other options such as USDT PIP20 or USDT ERC20, just click on it. This is very simple, just copy your USDT PIP20 Binance Smart Chain wallet address, paste it right here, click next, and after you will select the payment method, then you need to select the amount you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw all of your money, click the max button right here and you will withdraw all of your money. And after you will click the submit button, you will initiate the withdrawal. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.